Every journey teaches something new, not only through words, but through quiet observation. Here in Wangtong Temple, Kunming, I discovered how culture and nature become living classrooms. A visitor bows, a gesture of respect and reflection. The ancient hall tells stories carved in wood and color. Turtle rest, goldfish swim, and white bird stand still among lotus flowers, each reminding us that learning begins with patience, balance, and calm attention. This temple is more than a sacred site, it's cultural classroom where every movement, sound, and symbol teaches the art of peaceful coexistence. Through travel, we don't just see, we learn to understand.